Hi everyone, it's me, Wei Xiang here. Well, here I am back again, making more videos for our viewers and subscribers. The PSLE is over, so let us now focus on the primary 5, 4s, 3s, and maybe the 2s even. So let us get started today. We are going to do a P5 question from paper 2. It's relatively simple, although it was found in the back of paper 2. Now, let's get started. Now, every week when Siti saved 90 cents, her father would put in 60 cents into her savings. How many weeks did Siti take to save 34.50? And how much of her savings had been put in by her father? Well, in such a question, we usually get our students to solve it by grouping. Okay, because for every 90 cents saved, okay, the father actually saved another, put in 60 cents for her. So we group them. So each week, okay, Siti will save 90 cents, whereas the father would help deposit an extra 60 cents. So altogether, every week Siti will actually have $1.50. So this is one group. Every week she will have $1.50. Every week she will have $1.50. All she needs to do is save 90 cents. She gets $1.50. So to answer part A, how many weeks will Siti take to save 34.50 is very straightforward. You take $34.50, divide by $1.50, you will get 23 weeks. And there you have it, part A. Okay. Now, how much of her savings have been put in by her father? Now, we know that each week the father actually puts in 60 cents. So for 23 weeks, how much money will he put? Again, very straightforward. 23 weeks multiplied 0.60. It will be $13.80. So the father actually puts in $13.80, and that's it. A very straightforward question. Probably it would be an number 18 or even earlier. As shown this year at the PSLE, the SEAB has decided to rearrange the way the questions are being put, where you get 3-mark questions at the back, 5-mark questions in front, broken up into parts, etc. etc. Well, going by that, I think we should not train our children to do difficult questions at the back. Instead, we should really focus on the basics. And because if you understand the basics and the fundamentals very well, then a child will be able to make use of these basic skills and to apply them into a word problem solving situation. As someone once said in one of my comments in response to the interview I gave to the Straits Times, this person, I quote unquote, says that this math is just about solving questions and getting the right answer. Well, unfortunately, I don't think so. In Singapore, we use it in exams, but actually math is all around us. Again, when demonstrated by the $1 question, the dollar coin question. Again, it's something very common, very basic, which primary 2 students have already been introduced to. It's a fundamental that is already forgotten. So let us not forget the fundamentals. Let us get our children to make use of fundamentals and apply them in difficult situations so that they can solve problems. And I believe that is the whole idea of the math curriculum, to produce problem solvers that can make use of basic skills instead of robots that only know how to do questions a certain way. And with that, I'll end today's recording. I hope to be able to do one tomorrow if time permits. So in the meantime, have a good evening ahead and see you tomorrow. Bye.